The future of digital marketing appears bright and secure as the online world continues to evolve. Nearly 77% of global organizations have already adopted digital marketing, which is among the top 10 most in-demand skills. Hello everyone, I'm Huzaifa Ilyas, the CEO and founder of DigitalizeGrowth.com, a leading digital marketing agency. I welcome you all to this interesting session on the fundamentals of marketing. Before starting our session, let's take a quick look at the agenda for today's topic. So first of all, we will learn what is marketing. Then we will explore the importance of marketing. Finally, we'll conclude our session by differentiating marketing and advertising. So, these are the topics that we will be discussing in this video. I hope this is clear to you. I encourage you all to subscribe to the Digitalize Growth YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for notifications of our new videos. If you are looking to grow your business digitally, then must check out our website at digitalizegrowth.com. Link in the description. So let's start with our first topic. What is marketing? Many people think that marketing only happens when you're trying to sell something. That's true in some cases, but not all the time. There are a lot of things that go into marketing that don't involve directly making a sale to someone else. Marketing isn't as simple as choosing which social media platform suits your brand image best or throwing up an ad. It's an entire process that requires careful planning and strategic thinking to be successful. The general definition of marketing. Marketing refers to any actions a company takes to attract an audience to the company's product or services through high-quality messaging. Basically, marketing aims to deliver standalone value for prospects and consumers through content, with the long-term goal of demonstrating product value, strengthening brand loyalty, and ultimately increasing sales. The second topic we'll be discussing today is the importance of marketing. Marketing plays a vital role in the success and growth of companies across various industries. In this section, we'll explore some of the key points why marketing is such a crucial component for any business. First point is effective consumer engagement. Businesses must engage customers, and herein marketing proves to be an effective tool. Customers can be engaged by telling them what they do not know and creating good content around your products and services. The second point of importance of marketing is building and maintaining reputation. The reputation of your business depends on how it grows and what its lifespan is. This is where marketing comes across as a way to build the brand equity of businesses. And this happens when the expectations of the customers are met. The third point of the importance of marketing is building relationships between customers and business. For any business to grow, it must build a long-lasting relationship with its customers. Marketing is based on demographics, psychographics, and consumer behavior, and therefore gives an understanding of what customers want. The fourth point of the importance of marketing is boosting sales. Since marketing utilizes different ways to promote products or services, it helps in increasing the likelihood of better sales. Happy customers translate into a company's brand ambassadors automatically. The fifth point of the importance of marketing is staying relevant. Marketing helps a business to remain relevant to the customers and in its domain. It helps in maintaining good relationships. After examining these points, it has been shown that marketing is essential for businesses to thrive. It allows them to innovate and stay ahead of the competition. When companies fully embrace the power of marketing, they can unlock their full potential and achieve long-term success. The third topic that we'll be discussing in this video is the difference between marketing and advertisement. Marketing and advertising are two different things. But what exactly is the difference? Advertising and marketing both have the same goal, and that is to get your business and messaging in front of your ideal customers. But the main difference when you talk about marketing versus advertising, which includes things like banner ads, social media ads, or billboards, is just a single strategy that falls under the marketing umbrella. In other words, advertising is a form of marketing. But marketing also encompasses a ton of other strategies with the goal of getting the word out about your business, like content marketing, sales presentations, brochures, and podcasting. So, in a nutshell, advertising is a slice of the pie, but marketing is the whole pie. And if advertising is all you're doing to market your business, you're missing out on a ton of opportunities to elevate your brand, connect with your customers, and drive sales for your business. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it easy to understand. To stay updated with my uploads, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.